Bitcoin is at $108,000 today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what the greatest cryptocurrency of all time has to offer. Now, we did see Bitcoin have a little bit of volatility this week. Obviously, guys, we saw the huge rally up to 109, which was huge. We almost hit that 110 mark. But guys, overall, it's been amazing. Literally, like I said, this week we saw Bitcoin pretty much range, go all the way down to about 105 and then peak at 109. So in today's TLDRs, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has shown impressive growth with a $3.8 billion investment in Bitcoin, sparking increased interest from traditional investors. Now, Botnix Labs introduces Spider Chain, a Bitcoin layer 2 solution, which, I mean, these layer 2s for Bitcoin are pretty cool, but again, I think the more of these that get built, the better, because you lock up more Bitcoin, you're using more Bitcoin, and overall, Bitcoin is very, very scarce, and we want to make it that way. Okay, now Bitcoin's market dominance reaches 65%, guys. Everyone keeps thinking that we're going to see an altcoin season and whatever. I do not think that's going to happen, guys. I don't see how we have an altcoin season. I think this is the Bitcoin super cycle. Okay, now again, I know it sounds corny, and I know we've heard it, especially if you've been in crypto for a couple of years now, like myself. You've heard this a lot: Bitcoin super cycle, Bitcoin super cycle. But I'm not gonna lie, guys. The data, I think we're in a Bitcoin super cycle. Okay, now in June 2025, Bitcoin ETFs experienced $6 billion in inflows, highlighting strong institutional interest and BlackRock's growing dominance in the sector. Boom, boom, boom. Things are looking amazing. Maybe we'll see new all-time highs this weekend for Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Okay, so a couple things as well, guys. There's only a couple more days until the Bitcoin meme coin BTC Bull is launched. They've raised pretty much $8 million, guys. I definitely recommend, again, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and take a look at this, because it basically gives you Bitcoin airdrops for holding the meme coin. They're going to be listed on CoinMarketCap. They just did their application, and they're going to be listed on CoinGecko as well. Also did their application, so I have some pretty high hopes for this one. I think it's going to perform pretty well, and it looks like they're also going to be doing a bit of a token burn, which is also pretty freaking bullish. So guys, if you haven't already, check out the BTC Bull. I'll leave a link down below. You just connect your wallet and you can go ahead and buy. Very simple, very easy, and it might be pretty bullish. Now with Bitcoin, guys, I wanted to see, this is pretty cool. Okay, no car notes, I guess no car payment, $0 in credit card debt, rent covered by cash flow, $200,000 invested in whether that's Bitcoin, stocks, whatever, $10,000 emergency fund, which is what a lot of people need for, let's just say, 6 months. Maybe a bit, give or take, depending on where you live in the world, whatever. Hobbies you love, right? So that could be sports, that could be gaming, that could be literally anything. People you trust, that could be family and friends, and health you're proud of. So going to the gym and, you know, having that ideal body. That is rich. And holy smokes, guys, this was a fire freaking tweet. I just had to share it with you guys, because I feel like a lot of people, sometimes they forget how simple it really is, right? When you really have these goals written down and broken down like this, it's like, damn, like these are all pretty achievable, right? Now, men literally only want one thing: $200,000 Bitcoin, $7,600 Ethereum, which, holy smokes, that'd be crazy, and $1,000 Solana. I mean, hey, if we hit those prices, guys, it will be insane. Now, Bitcoin will eat into $900 trillion worth of assets, whether that's real estate, gold, and fiat currency. It's going to be pretty freaking insane once we start to see Bitcoin really start making some crazy moves. Now, the evolution of money is here as well. So first it used to be bartering, right? So like crops and like whatever that may be, and then it's going to be, and then it was physical objects, right? And then it was paper money, then it was gold, then it was credit cards, then it's electric money, and now it is Bitcoin. Okay, pretty freaking cool. Now guys, if you did enjoy this video, I want you guys to do me one quick favor: help support the channel and download the best wallet. Now this actually does help support the channel, and not only that, guys, every time you guys use the best wallet, you got to remember, you can actually use this without verification. So no ID or KYC. It's fully anonymous, fully secure, and it just works. If you guys are interested, a link is down below. But guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.